Hey, it's Matt Gallimore with United Country, Gunter and Associates. I'm gonna sell a couple properties down here with my buddy Lanny Gunter. He's our broker. But so let's start off, just get you Lanny's number. Lanny's number is 803-445-4377. If you got any questions, you can give Lanny a call. You can also give me a call. My name is Matt Gallimore. I'm a real estate agent with Lanny, and I'm also an auctioneer. But my phone number is 540-239-2585. So we're actually out here in Marlboro County, just outside of Bennettsville, South Carolina, and got a couple of tracts we're going to sell. We're going to sell these things at the same time. One of the tracts is offering number one is 11 acres. The other tract is actually a little bit bigger than that. What's the acreage on that one? The other one, 11.17. So the offering number two actually fronts on Rogers Lane and Factory Lane. And then this one only fronts on Factory Lane. So we got offering number one, 11 acres. I mean, it's just flat building area right here. Got some woods, got a little bit open. And then the other one's kind of the same thing, but it's just a little bit bigger. So these things are going to go at the same time. You can get all the information at scauctionpro.com. SC, like South Carolina, auctionpro.com. And this auction ends on October 7th at 3 p.m. And again, if you want both of these land tracts, you've got to be the high bidder on both. These things are going to be going at the same time, so check it out. scauctionpro.com. Get in there and get you a bidder pack. Give me or Lanny a call if you got any questions. Again, scauctionpro.com. Thank you.